Every human body is an open book. You just need to know how to read it. From proposing to girls to selling goods to customers, people's body language speaks louder than their words. From Joe Navarro's book, What Everybody is Saying, I learned 6 body language lessons. First, looking around. People express boredom in various ways. While talking to someone, if they look around a lot or take out their phone and open and close social media apps, it's a sign that they're not interested in your words and are looking for an excuse to leave. Second, knee claps. When sitting and talking with someone and they're sitting with both hands on their knees, leaning slightly forward, it indicates that they want to leave as soon as possible. Third, feet direction. While talking to someone, if you want to know if they're interested in talking to you, don't look at their words. Look at the direction of their feet. Feet often reveal a person's true emotions. People tend to face the side they want to talk to. If their feet are facing you, they're interested. If their feet are facing the other side, they're ignoring you. Fifth, putting hands in pocket. Keeping your hands in your pockets during social interactions might seem cool, but others will perceive it as awkward or uncomfortable. Don't keep your hands in your pockets, as they can make you appear insecure. Sixth, eye pupil. The pupil of the eye dilates when you see something you like, indicating increased alertness. Squinting the eyes, on the other hand, signals a negative feeling. Understanding body language is like reading people's minds. You can control and manipulate what you say and how you say it, as these are controlled by your conscious mind. However, your body language is managed unconsciously by your limbic brain, making it harder to manipulate.